So I made quite a bit of salsa today, about 32 pints to be exact. This isn't all of it. There's some in the fridge and there's some we're giving away as gifts. But most of this is from my garden. All the tomatoes and the peppers and the onions are from my garden. This is the main reason why I started a garden a long time ago. When I started my first garden was to make salsa. So I saved up all the peppers and onions from the garden and I chopped them up and I actually froze them. And once I get enough to make a big batch of salsa, then is when I use it, and it saves me a lot of time. I also, all the tomatoes that I get, I freeze the tomatoes after peeling the skin off, and I freeze them in freezer bags. And then when I thaw them out, it actually automatically separates all the water from the tomatoes, and it's kind of a handy way to make salsa a little bit faster and process all those tomatoes. I don't have a lot of time on my hands, especially with 3 little ones. Here's one of the little ones. So this just makes my process a little faster. It's December, so I'm a little late doing this year, but got some salsa made. And I also make salsa during the gardening season. When I'm harvesting, I make kind of garden fresh style salsa. That's really good too, but this is actually canned, and I can eat it up until next summer, once I start getting more produce from the garden. Then it all starts over again. So let me know if you want to know more about how I make my salsa, and maybe I can show you next time. Say bye.